Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Today we're taking a semi-early look at the Jordan Retro 11 DMP Gratitude. The shoe was released via a shock drop on the SNKRS app on November 14th, 2023 at a retail price of $230. The reason I say semi-early is because even though this was an early release and the general release isn't until December 9th, there is still a large quantity of pairs expected to be released. The 2023 edition of the Air Jordan 11 Retro Gratitude Defining Moments, also known as DMP, brings back a coveted colorway of the Legacy model, originally paired with an Air Jordan 6 as one half of the Defining Moments pack from 2006. Inspired by the OG Concord colorway, the championship silhouette features a white tumbled leather upper with tonal webbing eyelets and a black patent leather mudguard. Metallic gold accents land on the shoe's branded elements, including a Jumpman logo on the lateral ankle and a 23 stamped on the heel tab. The sneaker rides on a midsole supported by a carbon fiber shake plate and a translucent rubber outsole. As far as resale, if you were able to grab a pair on the 14th, you can still make some money. Most sizes are selling between $230 and up to $300 in the highest price size. I also think this is a shoe that will do well over time, as it is a classic Retro 11 and the quality is very nice. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for all of your support and have a great day.